On October 10th, 2025, a Mountain Home Police Officer stopped a vehicle after discovering it had no active insurance. But instead of complying with repeated commands, the driver chose a different path. This is how it went down.
Suspect is in custody.
Huh?
I can talk to you and hear you fine.
I'm having a hard time hearing you. What'd you say?
Closer.
You're not going to roll down the window?
No, it's cold, sir.
Well, your aggressive behavior makes me not want to get closer.
Well, then stay where you are.
Huh?
Stay where you are, then, sir.
No, I can't hear you very well. I'd like you to roll down the window. I stopped you because you have unconfirmed insurance. Can you roll down the window a little bit more for me? Or are we not going to talk? All right, let's go ahead and step out of the vehicle for me. Mr. Stonelake.
Excuse me.
I need you to step out of the vehicle.
My vehicle. Can you run my information?
I'm going to have you step out of the vehicle because your behavior is making me
what did
nervous.
I do wrong?
You don't have insurance on the vehicle.
I do.
Okay, do you have it with you? Because all you gave me is a driver's license.
Please.
Go. Okay, at this point, I'm asking you to step out of the vehicle.
I did nothing wrong. Why do I have to get out of the
Because it's coming back with no insurance and you're not showing it to me. So let's go ahead and step out of the vehicle.
It's an app on my phone, and I'm not using my hands. I'm staying here, and then I should remain calm.
Unlock the door and step out of the vehicle.
Excuse me, sir. I know your job. I'm going to...
Hey, Mr. Stonelake, do you have proof of insurance?
If you run my information, you'll find out if I have insurance.
It's showing you don't.
What did I do wrong? Why do I have to get out of the car, sir? I'm protected.
It's a lawful traffic stop. You have to get out of the vehicle. You don't have insurance on the vehicle. I asked you to show it to me, and you haven't showed it to me.
I do. I know.
When we run your tags, it's showing you don't have insurance. Go ahead and step out of the vehicle. I'm telling you now to get out of the car.
I know what you're saying. I would like to remain in the car, please, just once while you do your job.
Hey, Mr. Stonelake, here's the deal. He's giving you a lawful order to step out. That's an lawful order.
I do not want to be manhandled. I would like to...
Go ahead and have it.
Come on.
So it's going to go one or two ways. You either step out willingly, or we're going to break the window and make you come out.
You have threatened me.
I'm not threatening you. I'm telling you what's going to happen.
I am compliant. I gave you my information.
No, you have not. So
I let him hold my ID and license.
Look, in the state of Arkansas, officer can ask you to step out of the vehicle for any reason. He has asked you to step out of the vehicle. So you need to comply.
It's cold out there, and I don't.
You need to comply.
I know I need to comply. I know I'm probably gonna go to jail, but I didn't do nothing wrong.
So I'm telling you.
Back and said,
I'm telling you that there are two options right now.
I know.
You step out willingly.
Right.
And we handle this a different way.
And abuse my rights, okay?
Or two.
You are all protected. I know all the rules, right? And I would like to just remain in my vehicle while you do your job. Your permission is in your hand.
Right now, it's showing the vehicle doesn't have insurance.
Passenger, sir, would you do me a favor and step on out?
Okay, fine. Why do I have to get out of the car?
Because he asked you to. He didn't even ask. He told you to. So at this point, it's a lawful order to step out.
Yes.
Is it unlocked?
I'm afraid. Wait. Take that back, please, so you don't think I'm trying to...
Come on.
Ma'am.
No, let's go.
No, please don't do this. I am not...
I told you.
I know you guys always do this.
Turn around.
Please. Oh, yeah, you guys.
I told you that you could either step out or we would pull you out. You've been told.
This is so silly. I'm being arrested because I have no insurance. Yeah, there you go.
All right. You just woke up?
I just woke up. Yeah.
Where were you going?
I was taking... Actually, I'm going through my life right now.
Okay.
What is this? What is that? Oh, what? Oh, that. Mr. Bentley?
Yes, sir.
I'm trying to. Please don't show me around.
Huh?
Please don't show me around.
I'm just moving you.
No, you're not.
I am. All right. Go ahead and have a seat back here for me.
And you guys will also find out I have two warrants that they will not come pick me up. I'm working on it. And I'm in the process of going from general insurance to State Farm. You would have just ran my information.
I did run your information.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. Bye.
You ordered me out of the...
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Do you have your ID on you?
And I don't. He just looked. I do have my social security card on me though.
You said your name's Kyle Ryan.
Yes, Kyle Vines.
Vines?
Yeah. There's another card.
22 P. Can you run one for me? You ain't got no warrants or anything, right, Kyle?
Shouldn't have.
Shouldn't have? Okay. 17 of
I'm
9-6.
so sorry about Karen. It's one of my.
Hey, I'm
it's
glad
one
you
of my
cooperated.
fears
If you
to-
ain't got no warrants, look, I tell you what, we'll throw this away and I'll let you be on your way. Just for your cooperation, I'll let that go.
Thank you.
But like I said, that's if you don't have any warrants. 'Cause
Yes,
warrants,
ma'am. Yes,
I
ma'am.
can't do anything
I
with
know. I know.
that. Is this a nicotine or?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
All right, 10-4. All right, you ain't got no warrants, so move along.
Yes, ma'am.
44 PD, I'll be 15 with 1 mil.
Aaron Stonelake was arrested and charged with no liability insurance, obstructing governmental operations, and refusal to submit to arrest. His bond was set at $1,105. If you enjoyed this video and would like more content, give us a like, feel free to comment, and subscribe for justice.